Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the second of the three coins that I got delivered last week that are apart from my auto ship. Speaking of my auto ship, I should be getting that tomorrow. So before I show you this coin, I just want to give you an update on where silver closed on Friday. So Friday, September 26th. So let me show you that. Well, one other thing, before I show you that price, I think it was Wednesday of last week, I was watching a Yankee game, and the announcers were talking about silver slugger. And I said, oh, let me see what price silver closed on Wednesday, or whatever night that was. And I looked it up, and I was surprised. I knew silver was on an upward trend. I just wasn't following the last few days. It closed above $44. So I was like, wow, that's cool. The last time I looked, I think it was $39. So yeah. So when I saw it was trading around, when it closed above $44, what did I do? I ran out and I saw that it was raining silver coins. Right? Just kidding. Doesn't rain silver coins, only in my dreams. All right. So but let me show you where silver closed on Friday, September 26th. It's on one website. There's a couple of websites where you can get the pricing. I didn't get the pricing from the COMEX. So let me show you where it closed on Friday. And there you go, $46.31. So yeah, it's moving. It's moving on up, that's for sure. I just mentioned that I did a video last week when I was watching the Yankee game, and someone responded back to that video, and they were like, silver's traded in this range before. Let me get back to me. Silver's traded, in the 40s and the 50s. And I replied back. I was like, yeah, nah, I get it. I seen the history of silver. I think I even got up, way higher than that. But I've been collecting silver the last 3 years, since July of 22. And when I started, it was around $19, 19, 18, 19, $20. So this is the first time I've seen it close above, $44. So I responded back to this person. I was like, what do you think is going to happen? You think it's going to trade down to $35, or you see $50 first? But I haven't heard, I didn't get a response yet. So it looks like we're going to see $50 first, but it's very easily can go back to $35, But again, I'm not in it for, trading. I'm just buying silver for myself as to diversify my portfolio, right? All right, so enough of that. So let me show you the coin that I got. So I'm going to show you an image of it. And like I said, I don't know if I said it, but it's the 2024. Where the hell is it? Oh, here it's in front of me. So let me show you what it is. So there it is. It's 2024 Niue. How do I pronounce that? Niue, 1 ounce silver icons of inspiration, Shakespeare. So let me transition over there. So here's the coin. So if you took a mental picture of that, of the image I just showed you, this. So there's Shakespeare. I think this is the obverse. Right, there's his feathered pen. I think there's the theater that they performed his plays in. And then the other side, see if I can get that for you. The other side is a muse, M-U-S-E. It's a $2 denomination. I think that's the sun, but I'm going to go get a description of the front and back of this, and I'll read this to you. In the meantime, I'll leave the pictures back up, and I'll read to you what front and the back is, right? Let's see. So, and then I'll get you the specs after that. So if I can just find it. All right, here we go. So the obverse. William Shakespeare holding a feathered quill. The Globe Theatre featured below, where many of his plays were performed. An image of the earth is in the background with the quote, "All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players," around the edge. Oh, wow. I know that verse. Yeah. That's right. It's Rush, Limelight, All the World. Yeah, it's some of this is very familiar. It's from Limelight. It's not exactly the same, but it's definitely All the World's a stage, performance and portrays. Yeah, so it's definitely part of this is in that Rush song. All right, so I'm rambling on a whole nother subject, a whole nother topic. And the reverse side is a triumphant image of a muse. Yeah, I was right about that. With an arm extended toward the sun, the seal of the nation, Niue, $2 face value, and the date of 2024. So those are the images on the coins and the specs. Very quickly. 2024. It's brilliant uncirculated. That's the BU that you see on the coin. $2 denomination. It's 1 troy ounce. The diameter is 39 millimeters, and the purity is a 999 or 0.999. If you're not sure what 0.99 means, I did a quick video or short video on the difference between 0.99. Let me get back to me talking to you guys, so you don't see just the image. Got too many windows open here. There we go. All right. So if you want to know what the difference is between a 999 and a quadruple 9 or 4 nines, I'll leave the video, a link to the video. You'll see it towards the end of this video, and you can, take a look at it. It's short. It's like a minute and a half. There's not really much of a difference, but it's very quick, and it's another piece of knowledge that you can share, with someone else. Anyway, so that's it on this coin. I'll do the third one of the 3 shortly, maybe in a couple of days. And that coin was Spider-Man versus the Green Goblin. Again, it was a limited mintage, and that's why I bought it. And tomorrow, I should be getting my monthly coins. My what are we in September? My September coins for this month. So, with that, enjoy what's left of the weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.